Welcome guys. So in this video, we are going to make apart from the Flutter web, we are jumping in the Flutter Android development. So I was just exploring more about Figma, and I come through a very great project. It is open source, and actually it is uh, and those assets are completely available, and it is very good project. So this is the project which we are going to make. This is an online bike shopping application. So I love the design is very good, like it is excellent design. And I was just searching more about those this design, but I was not getting what I wanted. Like this design, like it is cover iOS is also given, assets is also given. I can easily grab that assets and I can easily do this thing. And prototype is also given. Like it is very good UI for our development part. And thank you. I really thank you. Like you can thank him, like, thank her. So if you have any like I'm not promoting anyone. I'm not promoting anyone. I just wanted to like build applications. So this is the reason why I came to this thing. How I came this, like I just searched for the Figma app design, design templates free. So there are 15 plus templates which are freely available. You can explore those templates, and from here, yes, it is see online like bike shopping application is available. So this is how I get to know about this thing. So this is what we are going to make for our next project. So it might take some time because it is a not a very easy project. It's taking very multiple things, this. Yep. So this is it for the video, because I just wanted to give you an introduction, by brief introduction, what we are going to build. So yeah, that is it for now. And if you have any suggestion, query, or feedback regarding anything, so you can comment it out. And yep, that is it for the video. Uh, if you have like this is it, and so yeah, have a good day and bye bye. Take care and bye.